welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. Usually I would be happy to open Happy Mail, but unfortunately I have a toothache. So my face is a little swollen on that side, and I'm thinking, oh gosh, darn it, it's the holiday season, so I may have issues eating. But let's go ahead and open these up. This particular one is from Setta's Place. Thank you, Setta. Thank you for thinking of me. It says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." Oh, I love this card. I love the colors of it with the little snowflakes and the trees. Okay, let's see what it says. Hey, Andrea, wishing you and your family a safe and blessed Christmas and all the best in 2021. Setta, Lenore. Thank you so much, Setta. I greatly appreciate it. So moving on, I received another card. Ooh, this is nice. I received this card from Judy. Judy of Crochet Every Day with Judy. Thank you, Judy. I appreciate you thinking of me. Oh, wow. When I look at this card, it makes me feel cold. It's freezing over here in Virginia. Oh, my gosh. This is nice. I really like that. Oh, wow. It's an original photo by Philip Weston. Oh, my. Let me open it up. Oh, she has a note inside. "For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord." Luke 2:11. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Much love and hugs, Judy. Oh, I just got all nice and warm and tingly inside. Wow. Judy of Crochet Every Day with Judy. I will be putting their links in my description box. Thank you so much for these lovely cards. I greatly appreciate them. And you guys have a wonderful and awesome holiday.